Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. So, where have all the birds gone? It's a question French scientists are grappling with right this very second. A third to one half of all the birds in France have disappeared. Migratory songbirds and meadow pipits declined by 70%. Well, look no further than the neonicotinoids, systemic insecticides. These deadly poisons not only cause the bees, the main pollinator of our food system, to lose their minds and shake to death, neonicotinoids kill soil organisms. No insects, no bird food. And in other places in Western Europe, it's rippled up the food chain to the avian predators like goshawks. No small birds to prey upon, no goshawks. It's long overdue to globally ban the more than 1,000 kinds of these neonicotinoids before they kill all the insects and all the birds. And guess what? We're next. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love is the solution. Hashtag love nature. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be bashful. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, life, the wonder of it all, and save nature now. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.